Hey guys, welcome to Real Men Get It Done. Tonight we are tackling our laundry room. It has just been crazy disorganized lately and I've been tired of it. So I got some tools to help me get it organized and back to where it should be, hopefully moving forward. So I'm going to clean it, deep clean it a little bit, get everything out, clean everything, and then move forward with reorganizing it a little bit. I got a really cool new shelving system from Lowe's. I found the same shelving system at a lot of different department stores, at Walmart, at Home Depot, at Lowe's. So if you are in need of one, you should be able to find it there. I'll show it to you in one moment, the size and dimensions. But yeah, this should be, a fun night of just cleaning and organizing. So please stay tuned so you can see the whole overhaul of our laundry room. And thanks so much for all the support thus far. We appreciate it so much. And also like, share, subscribe, but drop a comment. We love communicating with you guys in the community. Drop a comment and we will connect with you soon. Real Men Get It. So I keep it real simple when it comes to cleaning. This is just 409. I use it for pretty much everything. Multi-surface, we'll use that. The Park Broom 409 is already in here for cleaning the floors. And here's the new shelving system that I bought. See, the dimensions are, where they're at the very bottom, 18, 47, 72. So it should be a nice size. Metal, but as I said, 350 pounds of weight capacity per shelf, which should be a lot to be able to hold clothes and different items. But I saw similar units at all the department stores, but this particular one was at Lowe's, model 71034. And here's our washroom, as I said, just disorganized. Every time we clean it up and you think that it's good, it just ends up getting back into a disarray. So my plan is to clean and get everything organized, put up the shelf, hopefully to occupy this corner so that all this is now clear and free. These are some of our extra pillows and bedding for company. I plan on bagging that up, shrink wrapping it, getting that into the attic to clear that space, and just to make it nice and clean and manageable moving. So here it is. Nice deep clean. And the laundromat is done. I like this. I like this shelf. So of course we're gonna have to double check with functionality next couple of days just to see if we may position it, move it here or there. But overall, I am happy with the outcome. Nice deep clean, all the cleaning supplies there. Area for dirty clothes, and then all the clean clothes will be on this side. Appreciate you guys so much for just rocking with us and tuning in and subscribing and commenting and liking and all that good stuff. Keep it going. Real men get it done. We are tackling fatherhood and breaking gender stereotypes from everything from cooking to cleaning to doing the laundry. Real men get it done. Till next time, peace and blessings.